scientist in the kitchen cooking and bubbling and brewing, that's me. I love baking. I love over-the-top desserts. I love sweets. Anything sweet, I love it. My name is Lindsay Barton. I'm 27 years old and I'm a pastry cook. Wow, baking is explosive. Anything that goes in the oven, it can come out. I want to do it. I have always had a passion for baking. As a very young child, growing up in Beaumont, Texas, I used to bake with my grandmother, bake with my mother, bake with anybody who wanted to bake. I was with them. My grandfather always told me that you're gonna be something one day. He passed away in 2016, unfortunately, and I just want to prove to him that, Pawpaw, I'm gonna be something, and I'm gonna use baking to show the world that I can do this. It's a passion, it's something that I love, and I always wanted to be on Food Network. I remember I told my family, I said, one day I'm gonna be on Food Network and I'm gonna show the world what I can do. My aunt, my mother, and my other aunt laughed at me. I'm looking at them like, what's funny? And they're like, you're not gonna be on TV. Who not gonna be on TV? I'm gonna show the world that I am the best baker in America. You understand that? I have always made my friends laugh. I've always made my friends feel loved. And I've always shown this creepy side of me. I have this little innovative side where I want to go into the laboratory and create, brew, and bumble up something like a mad scientist and bring it out so everyone can see it. My signature dessert has to be hands down a souffle. It can be any type of souffle. Your contemporary chocolate to your raspberry to a banana to an avocado to a carrot. Whatever kind of souffle, I can make it lift. I love baking. Why would I be good for the TV shows? I'm gonna show that passion, that dedication, but also that competitive side where, yeah, we're all bakers, but I'm the best baker. I can do that a little bit better, a little bit faster, and a little bit prettier. Everything that I do is beautiful. I'm gonna make sure that the detail is shown. I always want the guest, the customer, the buyer, the judge to enjoy it. It's not only to look beautiful, but to taste good.